You are going to love the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, remote trunk release. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.